At kaugnay po sa pagsabog sa Mindanao State University sa Marawi City, makakausap natin ngayong umaga Police Brigadier General Alan Nobleza, Regional Director ng Police Regional Office Bangsamoro Autonomous Region. Good morning, General.
Good morning po sa inyo, sir, at good morning po sa ating tagapakinig.
Unang-una, kumustahin ko lamang po ang pangkalahatang sitwasyon, hindi lamang po sa Marawi, kundi sa mga nearby provinces natin.
Sir, as of now, sir, wala naman kung kaguluhan na nangyayari ngayon. In fact, we put all the Bangsamoro region in full alert status considering what happened in Marawi yesterday. It means that we put more policemen on the ground. We intensified our checkpoints and police visibility is in place.
General Nobleza, inako po ng teroristang grupo na Islamic State yung pambobomba sa MSU. Kumpirmado na po ba ito?
So we have a person of interest, and one of our person of interest pointed on yung local terrorist.
Local terrorist. Can you tell us,
that
sir?
Is one of the angles that we are looking into.
Opo.
Meron kami mga person of interest, but investigation is still ongoing. So in order not to preempt the investigation, we will not divulge the name.
But whatever you can tell us, sir, paano ho kaya nagkaroon ng connection sa local terrorists at paano po nila napasok itong MSU?
And that is still subject of investigations. As you know, our investigators already conducted the post-blast investigations, and we created an SITG, or a Special Investigation Task Group, to focus and conduct investigation on the matter and to expedite the investigations. At marami tayong tinitingnan na anggulo dito.
Sa ngayon po, ilan ang suspect natin at may leads sa po ba tayo?
We have person of interest right now at
ilan po,
we already siguro more than two.
More than two. At least two. Okay. Hindi ho ba
At least
tayo...
two, yeah.
Yes. General Nobleza, sir, meron ho ba tayong nakuhang intel na may threat ho ba na may mangyayaring ganitong pambobomba before this happened?
As you know, yung ating intelligence community, we're receiving regular reports, not only in Marawi City, but in some parts of Bangsamoro region. That's why we intensified our target hardening efforts para ho maiwasan itong ganitong pangyayari. At alam ho natin yung Mindanao or yung MSU, it is an state-run university, and they have their own peacekeeping security force that in charge of the security inside the campus.
May update ho kaya tayo sa bilang ng mga biktima dito? As of yesterday, may 4 dead and I think 50 injured. Tama ho ba? O baka may updated numbers kayo?
We still, the number of fatalities, we confirm na 4 ho yung namatay dito.
Okay.
And 45 yung wounded. And out of this 45 wounded, 35 were already released by the hospital because they only sustained minor injuries, while 10 are still under medication at the Amay Pagpak Hospital.
Critical ho bang injuries nitong mga iba?
Meron lang hong 5. May 5 critically injured at yung iba naman ay mga minor injuries.
Okay, wag naman po sana, pero may impormasyon po ba kayo sa anumang bantad na baka may pagpapasabog ulit na gawin sa Marawi City o sa iba pang parte ng bansa? At ano hong ginagawa natin to preempt such threat?
Yes, sabi ko nga, since yesterday we put all the Bangsamoro region under full alert status to ensure that wala na mangyayaring ganitong pangyayari, and we pinalabas na natin yung mga pulis namin para mag-conduct ng visibility at mag-conduct ng intensified checkpoint operations.
Police Brigadier General Alan Nobleza, sir, maraming salamat po sa panahon ninyo.
Maraming salamat po at magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.
Mga kapuso, para laging una sa mga balita, bisitahin at mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube. Sa mga kapuso abroad, samahan niyo kami sa GMA Pinoy TV at sa www.gmanews.tv.